afternoon. Welcome to Melissa's Kitchen Emporium. I am Melissa. Thank you for being here today. I'm going to show you how to make banana pudding, but like a special version of banana pudding. It doesn't use Nilla wafers. It uses something a little bit fancier. So first, let's review our ingredients that we need. We need 2 cups of milk, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 6 to 8 bananas, 5 ounces of French vanilla instant pudding, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 12 ounces of frozen whipped topping, 2 bags of Chessme cookies, and a mixer. First, we're going to line the pan with the Chessme cookies. Once the cookies are layered in the pan, then we add a layer of all of the sliced bananas. The next step is to combine the milk with the pudding, and we'll do that with a whisk. Next, we're going to mix the cream cheese with the sweetened condensed milk. And the easiest way to do that is with a handy dandy mixer. Next, we're going to combine this mixture with the frozen whipped topping. Now, our pudding has been sitting for a few minutes, and we're going to combine it with everything else that we've already mixed together. Now we're going to put this beautiful, delicious layer on top of our bananas. The final step is to place an additional layer of the Chessme cookies over the top of the banana pudding. Here is the finished dessert. And oh, I don't know, looks like someone ate 2 of the cookies. And now we just put it in the refrigerator until we are ready to serve it. Now that it's done, we can cut into it. And look, we have a guest ready to enjoy some banana pudding.